Hi everybody, it's Biaya again. So ngayon, I'm gonna teach you naman how to play and then while showing your face. Kahit wala ka pa munang laptop or PC and webcam for now. So if you have dalawang phone or isang phone, tablet, iPad, ganon. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko is, for my phone, this is for my camera. And then, ang aking tablet, here, I will use it for my gaming. So, for now, I will open my TikTok. Ayan. And then, lagay ng title. So, since it is Friday today, I'm gonna choose Battles, Heroes, or Words Friday. Ganon. Or, etong title is like, pagpasok ng viewers, ano ba yung parang purpose ng live mo, ng gaming mo? Ba't ka nagla-live? Ba't ka nag-game? Anong gusto mong mag-gain? Or anong gusto ma-express? Tapos, select naman yung gaming, other game. Ayan. So, if you're gonna play ML, then you choose ML. But if you're, hanapin mo dito yung game na gusto mo. Pero kung wala, scroll down sa pinaka-last. Yan, choose mo yung other game. Okay? And then for the edit your live goal, ano ba yung live goal? Live goal is, ano yung gusto mong ma-receive? Because receiving a gift means real money. So, sa akin, I want to receive uh, Rosa. Ayan. Meron dito recommended, but then I want to customize ko. I'm gonna choose 50 na Rosa. Oops. 50. Confirm. Ayan. Confirm. And then, to describe your goal, sa akin kasi, ang purpose ko is, nilagay ko na lang sa live goal ko is, enjoying this live. Please show some support. Ganon. So, confirm. Ayan. And then, lipat muna tayo sa iOS. Ayan. Go live. Allow. Tapos, second camera. Ayan, add. And then, QR mo siya gamit ang phone mo. Code. Ayan. Ayan. So, eto na. Eto na yung magsisilbing camera ko. And then, I'm connected na. Ayan. Okay na. Next. And then, make sure yung upper left lang, okay? Upper left lang na box yung pipindutin mo para mag-appear yan. And ending result natin. So, it means it is successful. If you're ready na, click lang ng go live. Ayan. So, start na nung TikTok live ko. Gonna play word game. Let's say yung emoji quiz. There. Tapos, yan. Ito na yung box mo. Tapos, itong box naman na makikita mo. Ay, nato to. Turn off. Off lang. Itong box na makikita mo, i-ano natin siya, explore. So, ito na yung saan lalabas yung live chats. So, yung una is pause. So, magpo-pause yung live mo. To, resume, click mo ulit siya. Ayan. Ito ang TikTok. Allow. Ganun lang. Balik ka na dun sa game. And then, yung second naman is um, for the device volume. So, yung first, yung device is, halimbawa, mas maganda habang nag-live ka ng live games, may sound, may background music, para mas engaging sa manonood. Or minsan kasi merong mga tao na nagstay sila to listen music. Hindi sila makikipag-engage. They're just gonna stay. Ayan. So, this is your microphone. Ayan. So, second. Okay? So, my recommendation based on my experience, you're just gonna low down your device para mas rinig ka ng audience mo. Ayan. And then, yung third naman, yung opacity. Meaning, gaano mo gustong visible yung chat box. So, yung third, yun yung opacity. So, 100, 60, 20. Depende sa'yo. Saan ka comfortable. Okay? And then, yung fourth naman is for recording. Then, etong setting, babalik ka lang dun sa sa TikTok. And, ayan, dito yung sa gifts, gusto mo makita. Or, bawa, gusto mo lang na mag-notify sa'yo is yung new followers, likes, comments, and ayan, ayan lang yung gusto mo. Okay? Yan, full. Then, balik ka na. Go back to your game. Tapos, you're done na, you're just gonna click the home, and then, yung button, there is a button there. Yan, click mo lang, and then, end now. That's it. Okay? So, here, eto na. Kada live natin, may kita natin ilan yung nag-view, ilan yung nag-gift, magkano yung nag-gift, ilan yung comments nila, in total. Then, may kita mo yung most watch. Meaning, sino yung pinaka nag-stay? Gaano sila katagal nag-stay? Also, sino nag-gift and how much? Fan club, eto naman yung mga nagsisend ng heart me. So, sa heart me, mag-ano sila, maka-receive sila ng points while watching, commenting, sharing, gifting, ganun. Tapos, tataas lang siya. Parang, ayun na, active silang mag-support sa'yo, ganun. Tapos, every live, merong recordings. So, merong, thank you naman TikTok. May nilalagay siyang highlights. Ayan. Yan na yan. Most comments, most diamonds. Tapos, yan. If you wanna look for the entire live, you're just gonna click the first arrow. Ayan. Loading lang. And there you go. And then the second one is for the highlights and clips. The second arrow. Ayan. There. Ito yung most comments. Ito naman sa most diamonds. And if you like it, yan, just click next. And then, ayun, post mo, edit mo, explore mo na. Ikaw na lang yan. Yan. And, yeah, I guess that's it. Yun lang. I hope you learned something. And I hope mas na-clarify ko. Ayan. I hope you like it. Bye-bye. Thank you.